Welcome to day number 2 in a day in the life of somebody who likes to think they know what they're doing, but really doesn't. And also I like it while I'm doing it, so just gonna kind of stick here in the cold. Anyway, gonna get everything measured out today, start doing some cutting on the platforms, and just kind of see what I can do, what I can get done, and yeah, so just join me. I guess I'll keep you updated here. Right, 71 inches. How deep? One. And then there, the top will be platform 20 inches, a little 2 inches of here's one more. And please Jonathan. And who knows? God damn it. 19 and 3 fucking 8s. And I will have you in time. Any man of mine.